Namaste friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today I'm super excited because I have received this package from beadandcord.com. If you are a beader in India, you know how challenging it can be to find high quality beads like Muki, Toho and check beads without paying enormous shipping costs from overseas. Well, that's about to change. Beadandcord.com is an Indian website offering premium quality beads right here in India. So let's see what treasures are inside this package. Let's open this up and see what's inside this package. It's very neatly and very carefully packed package that we actually need to protect our delicate beads from getting damaged. So here it is. So this is what I received in my package. I have removed the carton and taken out all these packets. You can see they pack the beads in different paper envelopes like this, and they just write the number over here. So it means this envelope contain 8 items in it. And here are my packages. Let us open them one by one. I'll just show you by opening one envelope. It's written 4 here, and let us keep all these aside, and let us open this one envelope. So here it is. Wow, beautiful. So this packet contains 4 tubes of seed beads. You can see this. All these are Muki seed beads. This one is Muki Duracoat Opaque Anemone 15O. This is Muki Duracoat Galvanized Gold 15Os. This is an 11O. And this is Duracoat Galvanized Light Smoky Pewter 11O. And here again 15Os. This is Silver Line Dyed Blue Zircon 15O. So they actually sell the genuine beads. You can see genuine Muki beads, and I've been using these beads since a long time, and they're really very nice. Now I'll just open all the packages and show you. So this is all I have got in my package. I'll just show you separately. I don't have the space to keep all these. I'll just show you one by one. You can see the crystals, the Mukis. Then I have these bicons, pearls, gem duos, super duos, and these cute little ear posts. So you can see these are the bicons. These are 6 mm bicons in such beautiful colors. This is in matte topaz AB color. Then this is in topaz color, then rose opal and light sapphire. They have clearly mentioned on each package the color, the size, even the code they have mentioned. And these are all preciosa crystals. These are all preciosa bicons. And then we have these 4 mm bicons in topaz, and this is in sun orange color, light sapphire opal, rose opal. And here again it is very clearly mentioned on the package. Then again they have 3 mm bicons. So this is an amethyst color, blue zircon, fuchsia and peridot. So beautiful. Now you can see the pearls. These are all 4 mm pearls, 4 mm check pearls. This is in rose cream color. Then matte Persian blue, bridal white color, so gorgeous. And this one is in silver color. And these are in 3 mm These are in brown sugar color, then baby blue, snow, and flamingo. You can see the colors and the finish these beads have. Now then they have these duo beads with dual hole. I'll just show you. These are the super duos. These beads have two holes in it, and I have already shown you so many videos, so many designs that you can make using these super duo beads. So these are the super duos in different colors. These are in transparent ruby, metallic seawood light green, then opal aqua matte, and opal rose color. These are the different colors. Then we have these gem duos of size 8.5 mm. Again, they are duos. They have two holes. If you can see this, I'll just show you. These beads have two holes, and I will be showing you how you can use them in your projects. Here again we have four different colors. This is in matte metallic bronze iris, then matte metallic silver check, crystal bronze copper check shield, and matte metallic flex or gold check shield. So these are the duo beads. Then they have these 14 mm precious or rivoli crystals. I'll just show you the color. You can see the packaging, how securely they have packaged. Let's show you. Wow. You can see the shine of these crystals. Just look at this. It's sparkle. And these are in crystal honey color, and then this one is in crystal color. Both these are in 14 mm size, and the packaging is very good so that your crystals don't get damaged. Then they have these Mukis 11O seed beads in metallic color. These are all Duracoat galvanized, and these are opaque matte luster in denim color. Then you can see the different colors they have, and the packaging is also very good. These are all genuine Muki seed beads, and then they have these in 15O size. These are all 15Os in Muki Duracoat galvanized gold 15Os. Then this is Muki Duracoat galvanized light smoky pewter. So these are 15Os. These are all 8-gram tubes, and they also have the bigger packages of these 25 grams. If you want more, you can purchase 25-gram packages also. And these are the Mukis and Muki seed beads, which form the base of all the projects, mostly all the projects in beading. Then here are the ear posts. These are gorgeous ear posts that we can use in our earrings. You can see the look. These are all Terracaster ear posts. Just see. So delicate, so beautiful. And then they have in different designs. You can see this design and in different finishes. This is in antique copper, antique gold finish, and this is an antique silver finish. Then again, this one is in gold finish, and this is in silver finish. So these are all the ear post studs that you can purchase from there. And here are the Mukis. You always ask me from where do I buy these Muki threads, and this is the site from where I purchase these, and you can get these in different colors. You can see different colors, and it's a very nice thread for working with intricate projects. So all these Muki threads, and I have shown you all the beads. So this is a one-stop shop for all your beading supplies. They also have needles, tools that we use in our beading project. So these are some of the beads that I have purchased from there, and I have been purchasing beads from there since a long time, and they always give genuine beads, genuine Muki, genuine Toho beads, and I'm really impressed with their quality that they maintain, and it's really very difficult to find in India as such. So if you're, if you are struggling to find good quality Muki, Toho check beads, or even the Preciosa crystals, I always find difficulty in finding these Preciosa crystals, but now they have stocked in the Preciosa crystals also. So if you want to purchase, you can just check out their website, and I will put their website details in the description below. You can check it out. And friends, in my upcoming videos, I'll be creating some projects using these beautiful beads. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel, BeadMates Beading Tutorials, to see what I make with them. I have already posted so many videos where I have used these super duos and the pearls, the 11 O's, the Mukis, and you can check them out too. So I'm sure you will enjoy making my previous designs using these beads, and of course my upcoming designs. So stay tuned, and please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you may get notified when I'll upload my next videos. Thank you and namaste.